This robot truck drives on rails. Glide raises $3.1 million to revolutionize freight logistics. Glīd Technologies has just announced a $3.1 million pre-seed funding round to commercialize something pretty exciting: road-to-rail autonomy. Their goal? Solve one of logistics' biggest headaches: the chaotic, costly first mile of freight. Their solution is the Gīder, an autonomous vehicle that drives on roads and rails, cutting out the need of terminals, forklifts, or complex transloading. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife of container movement. Leading the round was Outlander VC, Draper U Ventures, and other investors who clearly believe Glide is on track, literally, to transform supply chains. They've also rolled out Raiden, a low-profile hybrid electric vehicle made for tough environments, and EZRA-1SIX, an AI platform that orchestrates it all like mission control. Founder and CEO Kevin DeMoore says Glide isn't just building automation, it's building resilience, secure logistic infrastructure for both commerce and defense. With real-world testing launching in California and Washington next year, Glide is moving fast, because in logistics, speed and efficiency win the race, especially when you don't have to wait for a forklift. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.